Hey guys, let's eat some lava shock and some pomegranate. I've seen this everywhere on my TikTok and I had it last night and I literally was gonna eat this whole thing, but I was like, I have to show TikTok because girl, it's so bomb.
So yun na nga, inapanood nyo. So, namaan sa feed ko kasi itong video sa TikTok ni Bretman Rock. And then, na-curious ako kung gaano ba talaga siya kasarap. Meron din ako napanood sa feed ko sa Facebook na ginaya itong ginawa ni Bretman about the deliciousness of the pomegranate fruit. So, I ordered this fruit. So, ito siya. Actually, I have 12 pieces of this. So, shinare ko na sa friend ko kay Luigi. So, I gave him 4. And then, I gave 2 sa neighbor ko. Para matikman din nila kung ano itong pomegranate. Kasi it's really hard to find. I went to BGC, to Marketplace, to Market. So, wala rin ako makita nito. So, I just ordered online. So, it was just delivered to me 2 days ago. So, and then I have a Love Shock. Love Shock. It's a Lava Shock. Actually, this one. So, dumating siya sa akin after a week. It was delivered to me at galing pa siya ng Malaysia. And it goes along with pomegranate syrup. So, let's try this one. So, cut natin siya sa gitna. Okay. So, pakita ko sa inyo. So, yan. I'm cutting it. Alright? Yeah. Okay. So, there you go. So, we have these seeds inside. So, next thing we'll do, get this black thingy na Love Shock. Okay, Love Shock. Okay, there. So, okay, kuha tayo ng konti. So, there. And then, what we're gonna do next is to place the seed dito sa Love Shock wrapper. So, lalagay natin siya para makita natin. So, nandun na yung pomegranate seed natin sa Lava Shock. And then, we'll pour some pomegranate syrup there. Alright. So, try natin ha. Kung ganun din magiging reaction ko sa mga reaction na panood sa video. So, here we go guys. Kunin natin siya. So, what we have is the Love Shock, which I ordered from Malaysia, and then we have the pomegranate seed, and then the pomegranate syrup. So, tikman natin. Sarap. Naglalaban yung sweetness, sour taste. Sarap. Hindi ko ma-describe yung lasa, pero ang sarap. So, combined with Love Shock, it's actually the fruit wrapper. Tapos ilalagay mo lang tong pomegranate seed inside. So, there. Ang sarap. So, if you wanna try this, try it. So, hindi ko pa siya try. I've seen this fruit a lot when I was in Hong Kong. Pero hindi ko siya pinapansin kasi hindi ko nga alam kung paano siya kakainin. So, kay Bretman ko lang nakita saka doon sa mga nakita ko sa newsfeed ko. So, if you wanna try the Love Shock. It's actually a fruit wrapper with pomegranate. top with pomegranate syrup. So, yun. So, that's for now. So, next time, pag may nakita kong medyo kinda weird, your first time to me, I'll share it with you guys para, who knows, try nyo din. Kasi gaya ko, nakita ko lang din to sa mga feed ko. So, na-curious lang din ako. So, ginaya ko lang din siya. So, try nyo din para ma-experience nyo din. Especially for those first-timer who gonna try this one. Siguro doon sa mga nakatry na ng pomegranate. Kasi hindi naman to yung fruit talaga na nakikita natin sa market lagi. Like banana, mango, o guava. So, it's kind of exotic fruit for me. Pero, nakikita lang siya talagang sa different mga bazaar, siguro na specialty bazaar. Doon lang siya nakita or meron talaga siya supplier lang. Or sa mga high-end groceries, meron siya talagang binibenta. And, to give you an idea, this one fruit costs about 200 to 300 per piece. And I have 12 pieces of this. So, hindi ko siya mauubos lahat. Kasi, sa isang fruit pa lang, ang dami niya ng seed. So, ito yung kinakain natin. So, I'll share this with my dog, but I'll double check kung allowed sa dog to. So, that's all for now, guys. So, till next, thank you for watching. Bye!